I'm back. Did you miss me? I totally missed you guys. I miss making videos. I miss talking to a camera. I miss interacting with you guys on comments. I know I've been a little slow to respond, and I have so much cool stuff coming up for 2019, and I can't wait to share that with you. So today is really more of an announcement video on what's happening with this channel, with the business, with templates, with coursework, and how that is going to affect you. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings on Saturday. Now before I left, I did say I was thinking about switching that tagline in my branding, but I have since kiboshed that idea. I think it is really more important that I focus on putting out more courses and content, and to do a rebrand is obviously a huge undertaking, and quite honestly, I still love Adobe InDesign, and everything we're doing is going to be using Adobe InDesign. So we're just going to stick with that. That's our tagline. So where have I been? I am in a new place. I don't know if you can see, I love this new apartment. We used to live in downtown San Diego, and now we live a little further out in the suburbs. So it is a little tough in terms of socializing with our friends and getting out and about in the city. However, we have lower rent and we have way more space, which is pretty much true anytime you move away from like the nexus of a city. But that's okay. We have cars and it's working out okay. And honestly, I'm pretty much a homebody. I'm very introverted. I don't know if you know this about me. So I'm perfectly okay with this new setup. Plus this awesome new office. I don't know if you remember, we had so many mirrors at the last apartment, and it was fabulous in case you ever wanted to check out how you looked or how your hair was or your outfit. But it did make filming YouTube videos a little difficult. And here I have my own space. We have enough space here that I have my own room for an office, and I never had that before, and it's helped considerably. So I bought bookshelves, which I know I'm a minimalist, but I was so excited about this space. I bought some bookshelves and I put some knickknacks up. So very on me, but I really like it. So hopefully you like it too. Now, do keep in mind some of the videos that are coming up will have the old setting in them because I recorded them before we moved, but they're still new videos to you. What else did I do? So pretty much for November and December, all we did was move. We looked for an apartment, we packed things up, that we tried to move everything ourselves. And then January, February, March, I wrote 1.5 books. And I say 1.5 because I co-wrote the other book. Hopefully those books will be coming out in April. They're romance books. You probably aren't interested in those. But that's kind of what I did. And now I'm ready to come back to Pretty Fabulous full time. So let's talk about this month and what is going on. I have made the decision to move everything on the back end. And when I say everything, I'm talking about if you are a student in a free course, a premium course, or you have purchased any of my templates, all of that is moving from the Thinkific platform over to Podia. I will have more information about that, but just so you know, for the whole month of April, you still will be able to access your purchases and your courses on both platforms until April 30th, and then on April 30th, Thinkific will go away and everything 100% will be on Podia. So I will have more information on that and a tutorial on how to use Podia coming up in the next couple days. Now, don't worry, you will get a new user ID. I shouldn't say new user ID. Your user ID is your email address. So you'll get a new link to set up your password in the mail. The mail. I say the mail, but I mean the email system. It's not actually going to come in the mail. You know what I mean. So that's what's going on in April. Now, what's going on with this channel coming up is I am going to stick to a Monday, Thursday, Saturday posting schedule. The courses that are coming up, because I did ask a lot of you to sign up for the waitlist for different courses. So Planner Academy is still number one. It is the most popular one. So we're going to go ahead and relaunch that in April. So it's going to relaunch probably in the middle of the month. I do want to make some updates to it, including divider tab. So that seems to be the biggest question that comes up. So I have some templates I'm creating. Those should be ready right around the 3rd week of April. So that's when I will be opening up Planner Academy again. The other thing too is I've upgraded Boss School. I'll have more information on that. That is an add-on to Planner Academy. And then in June, I will will be launching noteworthy notebooks. That was the second most requested item. Now, Noteworthy Notebooks is going to be free, and the only thing that's not free are the templates. So all the templates, where to get things printed, everything else will be inside Planner Academy. So if you're already in Planner Academy, you should be excited because you're grandfathered in, and I will just be adding Noteworthy Notebooks into Planner Academy. And then after that, in the fall, we will be launching incredible workbooks. Now, sometimes I call incredible workbooks profitable PDFs. Same thing. I don't know why. I just like both names. I clearly have indecision problems. I couldn't make a decision. So sometimes you see one, sometimes you see the other. It's the same course. So I'll have more information about that closer to the fall. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm really excited to deliver all this great content to you, and I will see you guys on Thursday. All right, I hope everyone's having a fabulous start to April. And again, thank you so much for being so patient. I can't believe the subscriber count for this channel has almost doubled since I was gone. I thought maybe it would stay stagnant. So I'm really excited to bring a lot of value and help you guys to create whatever it is that you want to create in InDesign. And in fact, leave comments below if you have some videos you'd like to see in the future. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.